Hi, I'm Mueez from Robotics.
And I'm Aiden. Today, we're going to learn about the physics behind the motion of a catapult, and then we'll learn how to make one using materials that you probably already have at home.
Today, we will be making a catapult called a monocle. This is the most commonly used catapult. The monocle consists of an arm loaded by a rubber band with a bucket shaped at the end. When the arm is released, the arm flings forward with a lot of force, causing the object in the bucket to fly with tons of force. Okay, so first we're going to tie six pop sticks together using 2 rubber bands. And you're gonna do the same thing you did here on the opposite side. Then we are going to make the arm of the catapult. So you would take another pop stick, and this time you actually want to tie this pop stick in the middle of this stuff. So in order to do that, you would need around 2 more rubber bands. And so what you're going to do is you're going to put the pop stick in the middle like this, and you're going to tie them together like this. And you want to do the same thing you did here on the opposite side. So it would form an X. And try moving in the middle as much as possible. Okay, so we have this part done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create the base of the catapult. So we're going to put this aside, and this time we'll need 3 more pop sticks, and you want to put them together, glue them together in a U shape. So we're going to use hot glue to do that. A little bit of glue here, and then a little bit of glue here. Gonna tie it together here and do the same thing here. While we're waiting for this to dry, we're gonna go back to the arm of the catapult. So here we're going to attach a cap here to serve as a holder for the projectiles. So we're going to take a cap and just glue it here using a hot glue. So just put a little bit of glue here, and then just attach a cap. Okay, so this part's done, and so is this one. Now all we have to do is put these 2 pieces together, and for that you can just you can use hot glue again and put some glue here and put some more glue here, and tie these 2 pieces together like this. Now we are done with the catapult, but we're going to have a little bonus step just to make our catapult work better. So what we're going to do is take another pop stick and cut it into a piece like this. You want a really small piece. So here what we're going to do is we're going to attach this piece right here like this, and we can use hot glue for this purpose again. Okay, and just attach this right here. Okay, now we are almost done. All we need to do is use another rubber band to complete the job. We're gonna attach a rubber band here and make it go all the way across so that it's also attached to the arm like this. And you can actually put some hot glue right here to make sure that the rubber band doesn't fall off. That's gonna be more of an issue right here, so we can do the same thing here, just a blob of glue to make sure the rubber band doesn't come off. There you go. Now we are done. Make sure you test it out and see how it goes.
When the arm of the mangonel is pulled back, tension is added to the rubber band into the arm itself. Since the mangonel wants to return to its balanced state, it turns the tension that's stored in the arm and in the rubber band into the speed of the projectile. The greater the initial tension that's put into the arm and rubber band, the greater the resulting speed of the projectile.
Once the projectile is in flight, the only force acting on it is gravity. This causes it to fly in an arc, accelerating downwards, but moving to the side with a constant speed. The path of the projectile can be changed by changing the angle at which it's released. If the projectile is released straight up, it won't go far, but if it's released at a lower angle, it will be able to go further.
So, that was our homemade catapult and some facts on how it works. I hope you enjoyed.
Thank you for watching. If you are new to Time Robotics, make sure to hit the subscription button and the bell icon so you can be notified of our future videos.
Also, make sure to email us at frc5587@gmail.com to ask us questions, show off your catapult, or just say hi.